পশ্চিমবঙ্গের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা ব্যানার্জি ভারতের প্রধানমন্ত্রী মাননীয় নরেন্দ্র মোদীকে একটি চিঠি আজকে লিখেছেন August 22। আমি সেই চিঠিটি পড়ে শোনাচ্ছি। Respected Prime Minister, I wish to bring to your kind attention the regular and increasing occurrence of rape cases throughout the country, and in many cases rapes with murder are committed. According to the available data, it is horrifying to see that almost 90 cases of rapes occur daily throughout the country. This shakes the confidence and conscience of the society and the nation. It is bounden duty for all of us to put an end to it so that the women feel safe and secure. Such serious and sensitive issue needs to be addressed in a comprehensive manner through stringent central legislation prescribing exemplary punishment against the persons involved in such dastardly crimes. Setting up of fast-track special courts for speedy trial in such cases should also be considered in the proposed legislation. To ensure quick justice, trial in such cases should preferably be completed within 15 days. With regards, yours sincerely, Mamata Banerjee. To Sri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India. 15 within 15 আমাকে পড়ে শোনাতে পারা। থ্যাংক ইউ।